What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. In case you guys missed my very last video, just go ahead and click right here, okay? Click right here and do yourself a favor, because I found brands like NYX, I found Maybelline, more Maybelline over here, Wet n Wild. We have these new little like individually wrapped pieces. $5.98 makeup sponges. This is the one with the price tag, and a whole lot more, you guys. So definitely check out my very last video to see what you might have missed. But yeah, you guys, we are right here where I left off, and I'm already finding some name brand items. We have Suave lotion, we have Vaseline all-purpose cream, we have Pond's Bath & Beauty Deep Pore Charcoal Acne Scrub. Has anyone tried this? If you like it, let me know in the comments how good it is. Oh, and over here, look you guys, by the new brand that we're seeing a lot of, Be Pure, we have these little sets, eye masks and lip masks. And then we have brands like Found, Freeman, of course, and even more from the Be Pure brand, including foot masks. This location just has so many new items. I hope you guys are finding all of these items as well. But if for whatever reason you're not in your locations, don't give up. Just keep coming back every week and see if your store got a fresh shipment. These are silicone facial brushes. We have a variety of them. I think these are actually from last year. This one looks brand new to me. Okay, what else? Cocoa Glow from Vaseline. This is brand new as of last week. Antibacterial skin cream. Oh my gosh, you guys. And you know these go for a lot more than $1 everywhere else. The Body Collagy Shea Butter hand creams in Sparkling Cranberry. Look at that. 2 ounces for $1. I'm gonna say these probably go for $2.97 at Walmart. I'm gonna grab a couple. Yes. Add it to the stash. And then we have some hyaluronic acids. I believe I saw these in the Dollaree location, the store I call Dollaree. You guys know the one. Hyaluronic acid moisture creams. We also have the serums. The hyaluronic acid serum. See, this is why we have to take our time. I probably would have totally missed those Body Collagy hand creams. Aloe vera cleansing towelettes. No animal testing, no paraben, non-greasy for sensitive skin. Made in Korea. I had a feeling this was K-Beauty. It is. More K-Beauty. And then let me run down here really quick, you guys, and show you, show you 2 other K-Beauty skin wipes. K-Beauty just means made in Korea. We have the Pick Up and Go Mango. And we have the Pick Up and Go Orange Moisturizing. If you are a big fan of K-Beauty, but you don't like paying big money like for Tony Moly products, and you want to try some items, I feel like K-Beauty is always done very, very well. So again, we have the aloe vera wipes, the orange, and the mango wipes. Oh my gosh, you guys, this location has so many lashes. So many lashes. This location is just always stocked up so nicely. I mean, tons and tons. Wow. And then look at this end cap. full of Bolero items. This product right here is supposed to be a dupe for Glow Beauty's watermelon, one of the watermelon products. You guys have probably seen most of these, but I just love how well stocked it is. So many things from exfoliators to moisturizers. We have mists and cleansers and detox creams. We have a variety of facial wipes. So many different scents. Mango and raspberry seed oil. Sounds really good. I love raspberry and I really love mango. Vanilla, what is this? Vanilla, sugar, and raspberry facial serum. Ooh, what does it say? Cleansing and purifying for all skin types. I love serums and I'm always buying Birdy tons of serums. Like, you guys should see our medicine cabinet. It's kind of ridiculous. It has way too many serums. All the cutely packaged Ioni lip glosses. All of the flavored lip balms. Icebreakers. I haven't seen that one yet. Jolly Rancher grape. I've just been having so much fun in here, you guys. I cannot get over the makeup aisle. This brush feels a lot like the wet brushes. You guys feel the bristles next time you come into Dollar Tree. And these expression brushes, these were sold in Five Below for $5. We have goodie clips. Yeah, I'm feeling super happy in here right now. Like, super, super happy finding all of these name brand items. Again, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get everything in my cart right now, but this is what I threw in my cart. I'm really happy about the hand creams. Super happy about the NYX, the Rimmel. I'm just happy about everything. Like, super pleased. Okay, let's see what we have over here. I think it's almost time to start a new video too, you guys. African Black Soap Collection by Be Pure. These are definitely new. I recently bought some African black soap from Shea Moisture. What's this? Oh my gosh, Birdy's gonna be so happy. This is a tea tree oil scalp serum. Yep, I'm gonna get some of these. We also have a scalp tonic, African black soap with activated charcoal scalp tonic. It says it energizes and removes excess oil. We even have a scalp scrub. Wow. I might just get all three of those. Birdy truly uses a lot of hair products. And I know one I just got her for Christmas. She has already used up. I am just super excited to be in this location and super excited to share more with you guys. I'm like in my Zen place right now and like sharing everything as I go. So definitely come back to the very next video, you guys. We have a lot more to look at. Just remember, if you don't see these items this week in your location, just keep going to Dollar Tree at least once a week and looking for some of these wish list items. Trying to spit it out. But all right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. If you haven't yet and you're new, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and joining the Bunny Birdy Gator family. But all right, you guys, I'm out of here and off to the very next video. Bye, guys.